how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you, and it's one I've not had before, and I'm very excited for it. It is the Iggy box. There we go. And it is Artisan candle subscriptions. So the owner contacted me on Instagram and asked if I wanted to review a box, and I had a little look and it looked really lovely. And for those of you, if it's your first time here, I'm obsessed with candles. I love candles and wax melts. I just absolutely love them. I have them in every room, burning all the time. I just can't get enough. So I had a little look and it looked amazing. So yeah, I had a look and she explained some bits for me. She said every month they box up a different beautiful scented candle from a different artisan candle maker and deliver it directly to your front doors. All the candles are eco-friendly, natural and completely paraben free. What else with it? There's 2 options every month. I'm just reading this off here because it's easier than me trying to remember it and just chuntering rubbish. So when you sign up, you can have the options of surprise me, floral or fruity. And these are going to expand as time goes on. There's 2 sizes. There's a 20+ hour burn time, which is £12.95 a month and free shipping, and 35+ hour burn time, which is £17.95 a month, which is the one that she sent me. And she has given me a 50% discount code that I can share with you guys too, which I will put on the screen now. It's per 50, and I will link everything down below, but I just want to get it in it because I'm excited. Where is my... Okay, let's have a look. I think it's a really pretty little box. So this one is £17.95 a month. I do have that 50% off code that you can use. And it says, burn your candle for at least 2 hours on its first use to ensure the wax melts to the jar's edge. Trim your wick to approximately 5mm before relighting. We recommend a maximum of 4 hours burn time for each use, as the glass will get very hot. Just general candle use. And it says on the back, at Iggy Box, we believe in candles made from natural wax such as soy rather than paraffin wax candles. Paraffin wax is a petroleum byproduct that releases harmful toxins and sooty smoke. In contrast, soy candles have a lower melting point, giving a healthier flame, longer burn and more intense scents. We work with a variety of candle makers, so the candles in our boxes vary in shape and size, but we always guarantee a minimum burn time. So yeah, there's a little competition here which I will link down below for you guys. And let's just get in. Look, it's so pretty. Let's get the wormies out. I haven't got a bin in here at the moment. I'm just gonna make a mess, aren't I? Okay, I've got it. So it's Octo London. I think that's the brand. I think it's Hygge, H-Y-G-G-E, Hygge. And poured in West London, Octo candles are founded by Leva and Francois back in early 2017 with the launch of their 8 beautiful scents. Taking inspiration from their scents, they named their brand Octo, meaning 8 in Latin. All their candles are made using 100% natural vegan ingredients and are hand poured in small batches. This candle is orange, cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, ginger and clove. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. Let's have a little snifter. It feels really expensive. Oh, it's lovely. It's really warming. It's a really nice warming scent. Oh, I like that a lot. It is, I can smell, my first predominant thing I can smell is clove, but then you do get kind of a really nice citrusy orange. It's a very warming candle. This is something that I would definitely want, like this would be like a perfect Christmas present for somebody. It's so lovely. And this is number 4, so I'm assuming because it's Octo they have 8 different candles. I will link them down below for you guys as well. But yeah, it's such a pretty little candle, and this one is a minimum burn of 35 hours, so that is a really long burn time. I'm just going to sit and smell it. It's lovely. Have I got a lighter? I have got a lighter. I'm going to light it. Oh, doesn't want to put light for me. There we go. Yay! I'm gonna have that in here for the rest of the day. Thank you so much to Jem for sending me this, who is the owner of Iggy Box. I think it's lovely. I think it would be such a nice present to have somebody. It is definitely a box that I would like to get every month, but alas, that is not the case at the moment due to baby on the way. I'm having to cut back on boxes, but this is definitely one. I think this is something that I would like to maybe get, see if my mum would maybe get me as a birthday or Christmas present as a subscription, because I'm just obsessed with candles. I just love them so much. So yeah, for me, I love it. I know not everyone likes candles, and that's absolutely fine. We are all different, but I love the idea of getting candles sent to me every month, especially the fact that they're Artisan ones, and they're kind of, you know, they're from smaller companies and they're not like the mass produced candles that we shall not name, who I think are overrated. Rhymes with wanky candle. Yeah, anyway, that's such a knob. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. I've got an Instagram giveaway launching in the next couple of days. I'll link my Instagram down below for you guys. I will link all of Iggy Box's details and my discount code for you guys down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.